Transform your videos from jarring to seamless with perfectly executed audio fades in CapCut. First, import your video clip and the audio you want to edit into your CapCut project by tapping the plus icon. Locate the audio track on your timeline. You'll see the entire waveform representing your sound. To create a fade-in, we'll add what's called a keyframe. Tap on the audio track to select it. Now, look for the volume option in the toolbar that appears above the timeline. Tap it. You'll see a slider to adjust the overall volume. To the left of the slider, you'll see a diamond-shaped icon. That's our keyframe button. Tap this keyframe icon at the start of your audio. A diamond will appear on the waveform, marking the start of your fade. Now, move the playhead that vertical white line a short way into your audio, maybe a second or two. With the playhead at this new position, drag the volume slider all the way down to 0. A second keyframe will automatically appear. CapCut intelligently creates a smooth transition between these two keyframes, making your audio gradually increase in volume. That's your fade-in. For a fade-out, simply repeat the process at the end of your audio track. Move the playhead to the very end. Tap the keyframe icon again. This marks the end point. Then, move the playhead back slightly, a second or two before the absolute end of the audio. Drag the volume slider down to 0. One last time, another keyframe appears. And just like that, you've created a perfect audio fade-out, smoothly bringing your sound to a close. Experiment with different keyframe placements to achieve the exact audio feel you desire, elevating every video you create in CapCut.